Welcome everybody, this is Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. We're having another fun cocktail with La Familia Flores. Please stay with me and let me show you how we do the Mango Sunset. Here, in Hey Bartender. There we go. Mango Sunset. Well, if you guys happen to have a few mangoes at home, this is going to be amazing, you guys. And obviously, you can use a blender if you like to have it a little bit of slushy. Me, I don't like it blended stuff. I like my stuff a little bit more like a shaken and a little bit on the rocks. And obviously, for that purposes, we're going to change a little bit the original recipe, which calls a quarter of a full mango and then just use a blender. So in this case, we're going to be using mango puree, and we're going to use the mango just for the purposes of the garnish, okay? So let's start with our cocktail. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see and if you like what you taste. Let's start with 2 healthy ounces of Familia Flores Reposado. There we go. Followed by 2 full ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. Limes. Let's gonna use the use of half of a lime. On Cointreau, let's use 1 ounce. All right. And mango puree, we're gonna be using half of an ounce. All right, extra sweetness is gonna be up to you. I believe that actually with the puree and with the Cointreau, the actual cocktail is gonna taste sweet enough for me. But if you want to, you can add a quarter or half of an ounce of simple syrup of agave nectar, which will be the best, okay? So now, let's put some ice. And let's grab our fancy shaker. Is okay? Yay. Let's get our margarita cocktail. And if you happen to have one of these lovely spheres, even better. Put them in the center. Get your little strainer. And let's get this guy out. All right. For your garnish, you can grab a little peel of the same mango. Just get a nice fancy peel. And there you have it, you guys. The Mango Sunset with La Familia Flores. Salud, everyone.